Ella on the track. Alright guys, so moving on to the makeup portion of the video, the nitty gritty. I'm going to be using Dress Store makeup, as you see from the title. So the first thing I do is start with my eyebrows. So I go in with this NK Makeup Auto Eyeliner in the shade of AA02 Dark Brown. I use this for my eyebrows. Oh my god, this is how you know you have a toddler. Can y'all see that? Brooklyn, oh my god. Okay, so I take I don't know what this is called, but I call it a brow brush. And I go ahead and brush up the eyebrows. Ouch. Then I go ahead and fill in. I'm gonna use more. So So for me, I mainly focus on the tails of my eyebrows. Like, I don't really have a tail, or not a defined tail. So that's more so what I focus on when I do mine. The tail. I don't really blend up here, because like I said, mine are naturally thick already, so it's kind of no point. I'm gonna have to ask Brooklyn if she was in my thing. So that's like the basics. I'm gonna go ahead and clean them up, do a little montage, and then we'll come back when it's time to clean them up. So to conceal my eyebrows, I will either use LA Girl Pro-Conceal. Let me see which shade this is. The dark cocoa shade. I will either use this, or I have Nika K, I think that's what it's called, HD concealer. The shade for this is Lion. I'll either use that or this Ruby Kiss by Kiss 3D face creator. It has like 2 different colors of concealer in there, and this is level 14 or ton 14. So I will either use those 3, either one of those 3, or if not, a combination. But I will use the brush from one of the things. This one is like on its deathbed pretty much. And then I'll use the darker shade that's in here to conceal my eyebrows of the little palette thing. And then I will just go under the eyebrow. I take it. And then after I do that, I will go in with just a regular fluffy brush to blend all this out. Okay, so that's as best as it's gonna get. Okay. So with that same concealer that I just showed y'all, I will go in with my foundation brush. I'll go in with my foundation brush and just cover any dark spots that I have on my face. So like in here, my chin, just wherever I see any that need to be touched up, I will go ahead and just fill her in. It really don't require much because you're just evening, making the skin even. See? So continue doing that all over your face, and then we'll come back with the last little touch-ups. Okay, so I'm about to set my face with this LA Girl Pro Face like pressed powder. Let's see if I can. In the shade Cocoa. I dropped it so the thing is broke. So I really need to get some more. But I just kind of press it in on wherever I need it to go. Okay. So the blush that I use is this Blush Duo by Nika K as well. So let's see if it's the shade on here. NDO06. So I use a little bit of that in my little cheeks. If you don't have blush, you can use what's it called? Lipstick. To it all does the same. Just a little rosiness on the cheeks, nothing too much. Then I do go in with like a gold eyeshadow or something for like my highlight. Literally just a tad, because you don't want to be shining too hard. But the main focus is like the cheeks and eyebrows. You could do the nose and the chin. What is this called? Mascara on my eyelashes. This is from Avon. True Color. But I'll go in with this. The words are starting to come off. And just prep your lash for eyelash. And then the eyelash glue that I do use is Duo. So yeah, I'm gonna come back when I put those on because I left them in the bathroom. So BRB. Okay, so I got my lashes on. I don't remember if I got these from the beauty supply store or Amazon, but you can go to your local beauty supply store and get you a pair of lashes if you need to. But if I can, I'll link the ones that I got off of Amazon because I don't remember. But that's pretty much the logistics of how I do my makeup almost every day. Just cover up some of the blemishes, do my eyebrows because I like the more tail on my eyebrows, and that's honestly pretty much it. The blush and the highlight and all that's just extra depending on how I'm feeling that day, but majority of the time it's not even that. But yeah, and then the only thing I would add is either some Carmex or some lip gloss. I don't even know where my purse is, but yeah, Carmex or lip gloss to call it a day. And that's pretty much it. I'm trying to hurry up because I'm a little pressed on time. Brooklyn has an appointment this morning, so I need to get her up and get her dressed, as well as get myself dressed really quick. But yeah, that's pretty much the logistics of the video. I'll insert some some pictures in here, but that is all for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Happy New Year to all of you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Gorilla on the track.